I would encourage applicants to avoid talking about anything outside of themselves. It's really a chance for them to present themselves in their own voice, because in the rest of their application, it's really, documenting their courses, their extracurriculars, letters of recommendation, which is somebody else's voice. And so really focusing on themselves is the best thing that I think they can do with that space. Another thing that I would encourage students not to use that space for is to recycle some kind of a research paper or a project, maybe that they got a good grade on. If they want to talk about biology, I would love to hear about how maybe biology affected them. They could get really creative and talk about their own cell makeup, but I really don't want to hear about an essay about like amoebas.